So I thought I would try and shoot a couple of pictures at different focal lengths and then try and combine those pictures into one photograph with a larger depth of field. A process called focus stacking, and I have tried that in the past with nice results, but haven't done it in years. So I'm going to focus at that area, something like this. Take a picture, change the focus, and take another picture. And I'm trying not to move things because that might affect the result. I think that's enough. One more, just to be sure. And now I'm going to do the same with a Carbide End Mill. That's a lot prettier than at high-speed steel. I'm trying to clean it up a bit because there are some specks of dust on there. I don't think I can do something about that. Those highlights are a bit annoying. I should center it. Okay, that looks reasonably good. Taking a picture, taking a second picture, picture 3, four, okay, that should be enough. And now I will continue this at the computer and see if I can combine these pictures. And now it's time for some magic, and for that I will be using Photoshop. First I need to load the pictures using an import script. Then next I need to align the photos. I could have done this during the import. This takes a few seconds, but not after editing. And now it's time to blend all those pictures together. This takes a lot longer, but again, editing speeds things up considerably. And that's the HSS End Mill done. Let's save it and repeat the procedure for the Carbide End Mill. And now as a bonus, a well-used threading insert. Now let's look at the results after a little bit of post-processing. Except for some cropping to remove the blurred edges, I did not make a whole lot of changes. I'm a little bit disappointed about the final result. I guess I should have taken more pictures. I will try to do better next time. It's a shame the Andonstar microscope doesn't give you more control over the aperture and the exposure. A few more manual options would be a great update for a next model. And perhaps they can borrow some in-camera focus stacking software from the Japs. Their cameras are already being made in China, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Alright, that's it for me. See you next time.